Solar takes Bonny, part 1.
The length that software is going through to look for network. Wait, though, why are we in the middle of the program? This one has carried me to like friends, water bodies. Oh my god, guys.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi babies, good morning. It's Sunday morning. Happy Sunday. Today is the 15th of March. In exactly 5... Is it the 15th or today's the 15th, yeah? In 5 days, we are going to, drumroll please, we're going to Bonny Island for our first trip of 2026, guys. Yeah, I'm going with my friend Somto. You guys are familiar with Somto by now. I met her on my Ghana trip, and Somto is one person that I have met on a trip, and we live in the same state, so and she's as enthusiastic about traveling as I am. So it's like whenever I send a trip, I'm like, let's go, and she's like, okay. I'm like, yes. So we went for my birthday trip together to Obudu. That was lovely. I want to make just 1 or 2 things, right? I'll improvise for the other things. I have dresses. Yes, one thing about me is I don't like to repeat my clothes for my trips because I take pictures, right? I do content, so it's like, oh, I've already used it for pictures, I've already used it for content, me using you again. And then again, guys, I've not even posted my trip from last year. I have not posted the Ghana trip pictures and content and stuff, so it's only YouTube that knows about it, people that follow me on YouTube. So I've not even posted. Okay, yeah, then there's like a short snippet I did for the giveaway I entered. So yeah, one of that trip that I'm definitely going on this year is Ikogosi. I think it's called the Western Escape. So we're going to Osun, Ekiti, and Oyo states. So that's coming. I'm super excited. I've never been to Bonny. I've always wanted to be, actually, but like the whole water thing. So thankfully there's a road now. I low-key would have liked to go on water, but you guys remember what happened on that my Togo trip that night, where the morning when the water did not want to come near me. I beg. Hi guys, it seems my village people are water inclined, because this water, if I go close, it goes away. It's like, can you guys see? It's no longer coming close. See, look at on both sides, but in my front it's not coming. Like, what? I beg. So please, let's just stay on the road. So we're going by road. I'm leaving on Friday. Today's Sunday, so I have to make a couple of things. My friend has a wedding on Saturday. Since I won't be around, I need to make sure that I get that outfit to her by Wednesday, Thursday. And then I'm also with Mary's dress that I'm trying to make an adjustment. I need to give it to her today. So yeah, guys, I have a lot of things to do this week, actually. Hi, good evening. I just wanted to come here and show you guys the things that I got. I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm so exhausted. I've had a day today. Today is the 19th. Where I got black eye pencil, brown lip pencil, as well as another brown. And then the star of the show is this is a young for you mascara.
told my girl, ain't no time for waiting. You've used all your patience, love. I told my girlfriend, you've been sick of us. We came out of lust. I said, baby, we can't keep on faking. We can't keep on faking lies. I said, baby, I see through the skies. You can't keep on lying. Girl, you need.
Even if you have been to the gym, my sister.
You like drama? I am in awe.
Baby, don't you cry. Don't cry. I got your sister. Right. She hung up, she hates me. She hung up, she hates me. Now I called your mama. She said we should work it out. We should work it out. But she don't know that you've been gone.
Look at this. The length that sometimes is going through to look for network. Look at, she's tired on bed, guys. She left her food and she's tired on bed for network.
Why do you have full bars?
But there's no network. Yeah, that's what happened in the afternoon. Because of this nonsense AC. All these old ACs are so devilish. Actually,
Guy, what the fuck?
no remote to reduce it.
I almost lost my life last night, guys. Bro, woke up at 4 a.m. Like, man, this thing has to go off. Like, no remote, just pure ice.
You get me high, so I don't notice. You let me go, your love is called hypnosis. I thought I did, oh, but I don't love, yeah. The more you know, true color show, your spell is broken.
Is it making a difference? I never use mascara before, like, by myself. Oh, does it make a difference? Which one am I using? This one. Okay. Is it nice? Yes, it looks weird.
To understand this. And I won't cry like I would on, 'cause I know you're not the one, you're just another.
Guys, this is the makeup for today. I just struggled with this mascara. My two lashes look very different. But the makeup is cute. Like, I just did blush, powdered blush with my eyeshadow palette, pink, red lip, and then I did the mascara. It looks good. I need to do my brows.
No, I'm scared about your money. It's up to me. As long as I can feel this one, yeah. I'm scared about your honey. I will be free. It's me that makes me feel. I see your soul through your lips and your body. Mind your control of your hips, you're so naughty. I mean, I want your love, but touching you is so much wrong. I pull you closer for more, but I'm fed up with the lies. You can read between the lines and understand it. And I won't cry the dark without, 'cause I know you're not the one, you're just another. I'm scared about your money. It's up to me. As long as I can feel this right now. I'm scared about your honey. I will be free. Come on now. This feeling makes me feel. I'm scared about your money. It's up to me. As long as I can feel this right now. I'm scared about your honey. I will be free. This feeling makes me feel.
We're going on a hike. This is the first time I'm chatting to you guys this whole trip. Hey guys, so we're on a trip and we're going on a hike. It's a 1 kilometer hike going, 1 kilometer coming back, so that's 2 kilometers. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's go. Do it.
Active. We have water and I have an umbrella. So
I'm just looking for a way out. Want to call my own now. Just beyond my reach, so close, but I'm just looking for a way out. Want to call my own now. Just beyond my reach, so close, but I'm just looking for a way out. Want to call my own now. Want to call my own now. I'm scared about your money. It's up to me.
The root of this tattoo for children. Why this leaf as you see is connected? If somebody has it, they will distract them. As I'm doing to you now, see that solid, just you see it's coming. If it's gone from you.
Please give me.
So sample is not allowed because if I give you one, the next person will take one.
Okay.
We'll share. All of us can take small.
And then later you take a picture of this, then you sample it. You see?
So you can magnetize the headache or stress quietly out.
Wow.
Did anybody catch it?
It's like up there.
Yes, it's up.
Have you seen anything?
Yeah, I can see it though.
Is it monkey?
Yeah. It's hiding.
It will hide
It's
and
up.
watch you.
It's hiding up there.
I know a girl like no other. Never had a day in her life where she gave up. And I still feel her name. When I met her, I felt that she's a real one. So when we said we had to leave, you know we both couldn't believe. But I know that you will be okay. Cause she's the strongest woman I know. 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 She taught me how to believe in myself. Whenever she is not around, feel her presence like a breeze in the night, yeah. Her heart is strong, her soul is sky, yeah, yeah. There's no one like her in this world. So I'm not worried now she's gone. Cause she's the strongest woman I know.
Yeah, my uncle against the world, guys. This one is crazy. Can't do it. We just finished the nature walk as you guys saw. It was good. We saw a crocodile. I don't know if you showed up. But I've not been chatting to you guys. A lot. I feel bad, but at the same time, just, you know, feel the feels, view the views. I hope we see another crocodile. It's the way I didn't even move, like, I didn't even run. Like,
Strongest woman I know, the 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 strongest woman I know.
Takes Bonny Part 1.
The strongest woman I know. 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 She.
No, first the other side. Sit down. Center of that bench. Just come. The bench before your friend.
okay, this one.
Yes.
I face her, have you?
No, first the other side.
Okay.
Center of that bench.
Okay. Bench is not too. My bum.
Center of the bench. Please don't shift to the left. Please don't shift to the left. Don't shift to the right.
I swear to God.
Okay, you are free to laugh.
Do people fish here? Oh, I tried just a funny side.
Why did you see that in your father's house?
Yeah. Now.
It's easy. You go to gym to do rope.
Yeah.
I have.
Hey, me that is walking.
No, Christopher, stop moving, stop paddling. We're going far away.
Why are you speaking?
It's our life guards. We were here.
That's what my mom. What
What are you doing?
are you doing? That's not my section.
We are the drivers. So I was steering wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, just have to support us.
Yeah.
So this is what you would have been doing.
It's hot zone on your chest. Yeah.
You're a good gym on the sea.
They are too fancy. I don't like how
Wait, though, why are we in the middle of the ocean?
Oh no, those.
So you want to now capture the whole land? Guys, they have swingsies. They have swings.
You get me high, so I don't notice. You let me go, your love is cold, call hypnosis. I thought I did all, but I don't love, yeah.
what's the second part of the song? I don't know. We're gonna set up there.
Front camera से कौन record करता है?
Just them. I'll see them in my dreams.
Hi.
Just now, don't follow.
I don't say so, guys.
This one has been carrying me to like different water bodies.
It's
Like
my job to reach my friends. Make sure that they are enjoying life.
very important. Life is not 9 to 5.
We did not go out to river station. Right. Like, lick.
Come to the beach, guys.
Come to the beach, guys. Today is my 7th day in Bonny, and we're at the beach. This is a hidden beach in Finima, actually, not in Bonny, from what I have gathered. And it's such a lovely place. It's very serene. There's no like a lot of people. There's people today, apparently usually there are not people. Look at where the water is reaching me. But yeah, I'm having so much fun, guys. I'm in the water. I'm always happy when I get to go to the beach. I was just thinking to myself, I was like, wherever I settle down, it has to be somewhere that has a beach that I can go to. Because the wisdom and the serenity and the beauty and the, everything that I feel, you can't replace it. You can't replace it with the cinema or anything like that. Like, it's just the beach, guys. Look at how far inside those guys are. Crazy.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Gets discounted.
What time is it? This is 3 a.m. These guys have been playing. Yep. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our last day in Bonny. We're going back to Port Harcourt today. and I'm currently getting ready. I just have my bag. We're not leaving till like 10. This is like, it's almost 9, I think. I just want to get ready. My bags are packed. Okay, we're not leaving to Port Harcourt by 10. We're going to see a movie at the new cinema in Bonny. How has my trip been? Let me just look at the recap. I'll say that it has been good. It has been relaxing. That was the main thing that I needed. I needed to relax. I needed to just not think too much. It's a weekend trip. That's what it's supposed to be for. Just to like step away from the chaos of regular life. And I did that. I did enjoy myself. Did you feel a little bit like it was? See, this is our second trip that we're going on. That's like a first time trip, and you know, me and some people laughed about it. They're like, yeah, we need to avoid first time trips. Not like they're bad, but it's just like they're using you to test because they've never done it before. They've never had to handle people before. But this particular trip is just me and Tonto, so it feels very much like just a like friends kind of thing. Like I feel like that's another reason why like the tour guides are so relaxed, because it's like we're so few, but like it's just two of us, so it's like, oh okay. And then they have like a past, like not really history, but they have a connection somehow, right? And then I have been following one of the tour guides for a couple of years now on social media, so we know ourselves on social media. So I feel like there's a familiarity about like the whole situation. That's not bad, that's good, because it makes it feel less like, oh okay. But however, I feel like if it were to be like genuinely like unknown people, maybe the treatment will be different. I don't know. Like, do you understand? Like, there's more to ask people to. There's more to ask people, like, to expect me to just take it by us.
I used to be full now.
How's the experience been in the trip, son?
Oh, it's been interesting. Quite interesting. Wait, yesterday was fun.
Yeah,
yesterday was really fun. Yeah.
I hope like the vlog shows how fun yesterday was.
It was really fun.
Like,
hopefully this morning
we are water people.
Be like,
so whenever we go to the beach, we just okay. Like you can leave us there.
We didn't do anything. We're just in the water.
We're just in the water. We had no chance.
So it's been good. It's been a good weekend.
Yeah. That's like.
If only there was another day before going to the office also.
There is, but we have 2 extra days. Unfortunately for
her,
she's going to work tomorrow. For me, I don't have work for 2 days, so that's cool. So yeah, just a little bit of a catch up. I'll probably do more like when I get home. Thank you. So yeah, we had food, native pasta for breakfast. I'm going to go outside to chill with everybody. Everybody's chilling. Guys, well, I didn't vlog because like sometimes you just don't need to vlog. But last night we were up till like about 3 a.m. and everybody was just in the parlor. We're just sitting, drinking lakoko. Like guys, everywhere I go now, it seems like I initiate people into drinking lakoko. I need to stop it. But then it's like if I'm going, I'm gonna want to take lakoko. And then people sit down and think, oh, what's that? Let me taste it. And they're like, oh, what's this? And it's like, oh, my friends keep telling me that I should be an ambassador at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna go have breakfast now outside. The bags are like majorly packed. Then I need to do my makeup. Today for scent, we're using Lamza oil. So I've done all my skincare, so I can actually afford to put this on now rather than like forgetting it later on. first trip of 2026 is officially done and dusted. Oh my gosh. First of all, I came back and what happens is it's not impressing me no more because I was in Bonny and I had lights every single day. Guys, I just need to take everything easy. When I so hot, just that I had to carry my phone too. But it's fun. I'm doing me as I'm talking. I just want to give you guys like a debrief of the trip or something. I don't know. I had a great time. Like it was one of those trips where it's like, oh, I'm just here to relax and have fun. Obviously we like had activities, we did things, but it was more of a relaxation, and it was like things we did were things that were relaxing, not necessarily like mind doesn't take a lot from you or stuff like that. And yeah guys, I'm home. I'm happy to be home. I'll go back. I'm honestly just so happy that I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Like if I had to go to work tomorrow I would have been crying by now. But yeah, I'm not going to work tomorrow. I'm not going to work until Wednesday. Actually, I have leave tomorrow and Tuesday. I don't know what I want to do. I want to read. Yeah, I need to read. When you Lati, like at Kawi. Yeah, but today is for resting. It's currently 3:29. So I got home like actually 6 minutes ago. Yeah. So and we left there by. I think it was well past 2 when we left. So. It was like an hour 30, like less than an hour 30 minutes, like an hour 15 minutes. So yeah, I really had a great time. I was obviously like bummed out that I wasn't able to carry my camera. That was sad. That was saddening. But however, I tried to do what I could do with the clips, and I hope that they were able to convey my experience accurately. I'm so pretty. I hope you were able to convey my appearance. I say my appearance, my experience accurately. I overpack for trips, guys. I see going forward now henceforth, if I do it, you guys should scold me. So yeah, that's on that. I hope to see you guys for another travel vlog very, very soon. It was a lovely trip. It was a lovely trip. I most likely will be going back in December. Our hosts offered us to come back. All bills on them. Crazy, but yeah, it would actually be fun because they would have the Bonny tournament thing where they do the boats races and stuff like that. I really would love to go for that, so let's see, fingers crossed. She was like, oh, if we're still in communication by then definitely. So I need to put on my friendship boots, guys. Yeah guys, what trips do we want to look forward to this year? Number 1, Ikogosi. There's going to be a Lagos trip. I want there to also be Akwa Ibom, Enugu and Delta this year, guys. That's already 5 on the list. And I planned at least one a quarter, and then I'm taking one international trip this year as well. Yeah guys, so that is the end of this particular video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's been a while since I did an outro, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and share this with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Like it's been so long since I did that because I just vlog and it just ends somewhere. I'm glad I could do an outro for this one. Hope you guys like my travel vlogs. They're getting better. I know I'm trying my best. Like I had a short list this time. I wasn't talking too much. I was just giving you guys clips like of us doing things. I know it would have been way better if I had my tripod, if I had my camera. Don't worry, next time I'll make sure that like before I pack anything else, I pack my filming gear. Hey guys, I will see you on my next video.